Welcome to Sunday Markups. Listen, we got a new beautiful Sunday here. Market is finna open up honestly soon. I think in about an hour, a little less than an hour, probably like 45 minutes. Regardless though, I'm finna give you my analysis before the market actually open up. Now we looking at gold. Honestly, that's probably all I'm finna trade this week is gold. But I will mark up a few more charts like GBP, JPY, and USD JPY. Now with gold, as we see on the monthly time frame, we got fair value gaps. Anybody who caught the trend in gold from last year going into this year made a lot of money. But the market also left a lot of gaps. So we ended up filling up this monthly gap right here. We actually got like two of them filled up, and this would be the third one. And from here, we end up rejecting off of this gap. It did take 2 whole months for us to actually reject. But now we got the rejection, and if you was trading gold last week, then you know how explosive gold actually was. So gold is now coming off of that monthly fair value gap, and when we go to the weekly time frame, it's halfway at this weekly gap up. Well, not even halfway. It's literally like 95% of the way to this fair value gap. So I do think that the market will continue to buy, and I'm looking at the market to come up here to this fair value gap at 5,000, which we was at the price of 5,000 probably like 2 months ago, and gold end up selling off. So over this month, I think gold is going to be very bullish, and probably even going into the next couple months, because it could definitely pass this and continue making new all-time highs. So that's honestly what I'm looking for in gold is just buys. For market open, it's possible that we could get a very nice opening gap to this 44,430 price range, or we could start to sell off a little bit with a little retracement and then go and get that gap. So we really just got to see how it actually opens, because we do got a 4-hour fair value gap, but we can also leave that because when we zoom in, gold is still pretty bullish. Like if you call NFP, you seen what happened on NFP. It retraced and now it's still looking bullish. So if gold opens up with a buy, I'm definitely gonna look to ride it out into the 4,430 price range. As long as we pass this fair value gap at 4,300 and what's this 75, then I'm just hold buys. Now if it sell off, then it sell off, and we just see where it go and what it do. And but overall, I am expecting buys in gold for the whole week, like majority of this week. I think gold is finna buy for probably the next month or two. Now, that's gold. We look at USD JPY. That sold off, which honestly, I don't plan on trading. I really don't care about these pairs like that, to be honest. I don't plan on trading these this week. But for anybody that will trade them, right now we end up literally we on a new month. So last month we sold off from new all-time highs, came back down to this bottom. We still haven't filled up this monthly fair value gap, and it's starting to buy back up just a little bit. Now when we zoom in on a weekly time frame, this bottom out down here filled up weekly fair value gaps and literally made, it's not really a doji, but it's basically an indecisive candle. So this definitely looks like it's going to continue to buy. I would definitely be looking for buys in USD JPY, and that's my analysis. Now, I'm pretty sure GBP JPY is literally going to be the same thing because these pairs correlate pretty well. This also has fair value gaps that's not filled up. It also rejected before it actually hit this fair value gap at price level 225. So we came back down to this fair value gap at price 211, came down a little bit more, and now it's starting to buy up for the opening of this month. And I mean, that's honestly what you could look for. It looked like the market just opened up, at least on this chart, for real, for real. So it rejected this fair value gap, and we could just continue to expect buys. Now, yeah, that's honestly what I would look for. I would look for buys. So that's it. That's all. That's all that we're going to be looking for. I'm definitely trading gold this week. That's all I'm really looking for. It's just buys and golds. We catch sales, but mainly I'm looking for buys. And I will see y'all next Sunday. Listen, if you want to catch these trades with me, if you want to make some money this week, click the link inside of my I think it's like YouTube banner, whatever it is. Click the link in my bio and literally join up. You could join the free community and come make some free money, or you could join the paid community and I will show you how to trade and you will be able to make some money at the same time so you can learn while you earn. Either way, come trade, make some money, and I will see y'all next Sunday.